If you want to get Instagram profile card, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, make sure that you updated your Instagram to the latest version in order to get this feature. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna open up your basically your Instagram, click your profile picture at the bottom right, and then what you're gonna do, simply just click share profile, and now you're gonna be able to see it automatically without the need to do anything. You don't need to go use third-party app. You don't need to do anything of such. Just go ahead and click share profile, and if you want to copy the link to share it to other platforms, you can do that by clicking copy link. If you want to add it to your story, you might as well do so. And if you want to share it by clicking share right here, simply click share to, and you have WhatsApp, Facebook, which is included in Meta, and you can download the basically the profile card by clicking download, and you can download it as a QR code or download profile card video as we showed you in the earliest videos, and you're gonna be able to just share it to other platforms like Snapchat, Messenger, Threads, X, or any other platform that you have. So basically you don't need to do anything. Make sure that you just updated the app to the latest version. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.